every day you are going to meet me for class. Yasser is coming, Yasser is gone. The same. Star Karen is 11. That's خلاص, don't worry. But anyway, if even now, if you take the record now and you put yourself at home كده tomorrow with a cup of tea.
Numbers can be changed.
Nothing. What's your name? What's your name?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I like it. The same. Funny. Good one. Good one. Anyway, never change, guys. Trust me. You will see and you will remember me, inshallah, once you have your exam and you will get your exam done. Yes, sir. Thank you, guys. So you are going to be very happy. Thank you, guys. Okay. Don't worry, guys. I'm telling you, whatever we are discussing now in our classes is from previous exam. I am not giving you a question out. And this is a game. Why? I need to prepare you emotionally for the exam. This is my rule. And I will do it until the end of the way. Okay, in the end of the way, you are going to be happy. Why? Because you will know what you are going to do. You are going to follow a message. Everyone will follow his mind up. He will make a mind up, sit up, and he will follow. Yes, tell me message 1, 2, 3, and will follow one of them. And one of them, 95% from all of you will follow the message number 3. Later on, I will tell you what is this message. Next class, we are going to do what? We are going to have construction management. If even will not finish structure, but let us break up let us get a break, and we'll go for different knowledge, which more interesting, which more fun. Okay, later on we'll carry on structure. Whatever we'll finish today, let us finish. With the structure again, or even keep it until the end. We'll go for construction management, وبعدين finish Sunday construction management, Tuesday construction management, وبعدين maybe soil mechanics, وبعدين after I finish soil mechanics, I will go for structure again, وبعدين after that fluid and survey, the same again. But I don't like give you too much load, but at the end you will fill up. Let us change. It's a change. So I am giving you classes C 3 hours, and all of us, we are not familiar about this equation and all this knowledge. Why? Because we are far away from studying days. And we are not, our mind up need too much time. If even all of you cannot study right now, the same as you studied before. No way.
أنا متعلم بالفرنسي.
بفرنسا.
فرنسي كله فرنسي، فكل الأمور هم زي يا جماعة الأسامي وكل شيء. كنا هناك عندها
بس الإنجليزي familiar. English is familiar.
فاميليار، بس أنا بالمدرسة فرنسي، بالجامعة فرنسي. بالجامعة أخذت كل شيء فرنسي.
طب ياسر فرنسي no. Don't worry. Try to study whatever we have. And construction management, it will be easy for you. It will not be, because I believe you are speak English. As I know. Lebanese?
Yes.
That's it. So you are speaking both. So in construction management, we have 9 to 11. 9 to 11. And I will share tomorrow, inshallah, or even after the class now, the exercise which we need to have the copy. 200, which you need to have the copy Sunday. I will not let you pass from here until you give me your hard copy. Okay? Okay, let me share after the class. We will bring it Sunday. But please, guys, tomorrow is Friday, dedicated 2 hours, 3 hours is your cup of tea. Don't forget the cup of tea.
1 cup of tea for 3 hours.
What? لا بقى make a thermal, make a big make jar like that, and put your cup and enjoy. Let us come back to standard IB. When we have a standard I-beam, we have shear stress as well. What's look like different by story? Standard I-beam, you know, your standard I-beam looks like that. See? This is T1, thickness of flange. Here is T width, T2. وبعدين we have H. B, sorry. B. And we have H. Neutral X, the same. But let us see that in the standard I-beam section is different. See, the width taking a very small amount of stresses. الفلانج with وين بقى taking you shape. You know, this is the shear stress diagram for any standard I-beam. Any standard I-beam, when you have shear force, it will be what? Shear force is force, shear force, shear force. Now, as from top, يبقى zero from here. Zero. End for zero. الفلانج taking this part only. But the width take all this part. Tau max is the same. Equal Q V I B. But let us see, we have very nice equation. The average, tau average. This is what we call it tau average, this area. This tau average equal what? Equal a vertical shear force divided the area width. And now we have let us go for number what? Number the last one. Yes. See, we have what? Here we have standard I-beam or not? We have a standard I-beam, correct or not? The standard I-beam tell you what? The standard I-beam tell you what? An I shape. I shape means what? Standard I-beam. Beam is used to carry a uniform distributed load. We have uniform distributed load. Our يبقى now الشير force diagram up, zero, down. Correct? Here is what? 24 inch. 24 inch or not 24 inch? Foot. Feet. We have what? 6 steps. Okay. We have N-shaped beam is used to carry a uniform distributed load over assembly supported assembly span. This span equal L equal what? 24 foot as shown. The maximum shear stress skips over inch square. Over inch square. In the beam is most clearly select one. We have 8 inch. . 8 inch وبعدين 1 inch we have 16 inch we have 3/4 inch and we have 1 inch. Okay. The maximum shear stress is equal what? Equal equation we know layer QB over IB time. Where the maximum shear force? Ask yourself. The maximum shear force where? The maximum shear force at support equal what? Equal DL over 2. The force. صح ولا لا? As I told you now, this value is equal what? Equal DL over 2. يعني 24 multiply 6 over 2. Equal what? Equal 24 is 3. You can now 72 kips. This force or not force? طيب. Apply بقى الفورمولا اللي هي QV divided I multiply B. يلا. Agreed or not agreed? We agreed. We agreed from a while ago. That's we already QV over IB. Correct or not? طيب. I already give you a hint. The hint is equal what? The average equal what? The average equal the V over the area width. يعني equal what? The average now. Average equal what? Equal 72 divided the area width. The area width equal 16. 16n multiply 3/4. Area width. This is area width. An area is equal to 16 multiply 3/4. يبقى tau here, the tau average equal 6 kips average over inch square. Yes, if you go with the formula in the end, it will be equal 6 kips over inch square. Let us see your option. Let us see your option. Your option. Option 1, 2.6. Maximum equal 2.6. The average equal 6. يبقى الماكسيمم 2.6 wrong. 3.8 5.1 الافريج equal 6 here this is equal here equal 6 steps over inch square. يبقى sure 100% التاو maximum more اللي هي equal what 6.3. finish. correct.
انت كمان محافظات.
Take it from the QD or IB part.
How many minutes? You need 15 minutes. How?
Just for this one.
I will tell you how. Take this Q now. Q divided 2 areas now. ادي one area ولا لا؟ This area have CG? Yes. Around what? Around the X axis? Yes. يبقى Q. ادي Q1 plus what? الاريا second area. وين السي جي؟ اوكي وبعدين المومنت اوف انرشيا. take a moment of inertia. يا عيني بقى we need ايه؟ untouchable. Okay? You will go for 20 minutes or 30 minutes. If even you know how to get it. But I told you from a while ago, take this beautiful hint, an average, average for any standard units equal what? Equal V divided with area width. يبقى maximum more than the average. بس كده. Our exam is 2 equation exam. Don't forget. لا إما 1 equation لا إما 2 equation. No way more. But some need to draw shear force diagram. Some need to draw moment diagram. As we study, yes, why? Because we need to study this way. We need to study this way, but this is for structure only. This is structure only. If even now we solve this problem by what? 2 equation or not? 2 equation. صح ولا لا? The tower crane is 1 equation. The precast panel is 2 equation. You remember, guys? I told you our exam is 1 equation or 2 equation exam. Take it as standard. Take it in your side. My exam is 1 equation to 2 equation exam. 2 minutes, 15 seconds to answer the questions and no problems. That's mean what? Easy. As I told you guys, why I start with structure analysis? Because it's nightmare for all civil engineers. So, correct or not? I give you as well a lot of hints how to study it. We already study, we already get all we are familiar now about what the mini friction stress. We are familiar now about shear stress. We are familiar now about maximum moment wear. We are familiar about reaction. We are familiar about negative moment. We are familiar about negative shear. Correct or not? Everything now in our exam in 6 hours, we will give a slope and deflection and the bar, another part, maybe 1 hour and a half or 2 hours. But at least you are familiar about the type of question you are going to face. Which we need what?
Exam they give paper.
You will give you pencil?
No paper, extra page.
Yes. Paper and blank paper. Blank paper and pencil. Pencil and blank paper. You write it and you will solve it and you will give them as well your paper. They will take it cut and why? Because a lot of engineers they are like writing their questions in the paper and take it, put it here and go out. You understand what I mean? Yes. So why they talk from you this blank paper to make sure that you are not writing anything out from the exam. Because a lot of engineers they are take 2 papers. 1 paper they are writing the question in the exam and give it to us. And 1 paper to the guy is standing there. So yeah, take care.
What about calculator?
No calculator. Calculator in built in your desktop. Don't worry, you guys, slow down. Don't worry. You don't need the calculator. Just wait. Why you need calculator?
No need to worry.
Yes, don't worry, guys. Why are worried?
شايف لك مش
Why
هنحل.
are worried? Why? I take you in a way. In the end, I will put you in the right way. Don't worry. I will put you in green way, green place. Don't worry. Just relax and just attend the classes, study, as I told you, get confidence, make some effort. You are coming here is effort or not? You are coming here is effort. We are coming here to study is effort. This is what we need. This is what time. Let us go.
We need to memorize or draw the shear force diagram and force diagram, so no need there.
Now, I said we have 3 to 5, correct? 3 to 5 problems coming to you from our whatever we get. Now assume there is one of them is out. You are not seeing before in our website or yes. Yes, but you know how to solve it? Yes. You know how to solve it? Yes, because it's easy. It's not that much difficult because you already practice. You already practice whatever we have. It's the same model. Number 10, which I told you number 10. Remember number 10 here? It's coming in 2 ways, correct or not? Could be coming the same, different way, by number. Can give you by number, not give you values. So you can solve it here, you can solve it, but you need time or not? Number 10. Number 10 here, I told you it's coming by 2 way, correct? Could be giving you the same number I give you. In a state 5, give you 2. But you have to solve it, you know how to solve it. Yes. So keep it in the end. You need confidence, yes. I am strong. This is what we need to go. I am strong. I have skills. I have already power to solve any question in instruction. If even the tower crane is 11. If even it's 11, but I know how to solve it. Okay, guys, agreed? Let us go for what? Let us go for frame, second part. We almost now 2 hours. And we still what? We still have frame. We'll take whatever, guys, whatever we'll finish today, we'll finish. Next class, we will carry on construction management. Then we'll come back to structure. Let us go for frames. Frames means what? Frames means this way. When we are discussing about frame, again, the frames is frame. Warehouses, always frames. Always frames. It could be even convention, even residential building is frame. This is a frame. Why plate frames? Because why? And next. See, in this case, this frame is what? This frame have a lot of sections. Section 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. See, when we are designing, always frames structure steel, steel structure system, steel structure system. We are using section by section, we are going to have connection between all the sections. In this case, I have frame 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal 9. 9 minus 3 equation of equilibrium. This frame is statically indeterminate 6 degrees. We have loading system and we have a chart. You remember when we studied? We have charts and you can get all the values of the moment through charts. But we have to study what? Statically determinate frame. I will give you example for a statically determinate frame. Then we will go for which is number 19. Let us go for this example. Very simple example. I have frame. This is the frame now. A and B and C. And C have what? Horizontal force 5 kips, 10 kips. Make this 2 kips, sorry. Your best dimension is 5 foot, and here is 10. Sorry, fixed end frame, free end, we have connection. This connection B, we are considered rigid connection. Rigid connection means what? When you have this part and this part AB and BC, we have 3 internal forces. I will show you what that means. Once you cut here, there's 3 internal forces. When you cut here, 1, 2, section 1, section 1, section 2, section 2, section 3. Let us go over. First, let us have reaction now. Reaction, how many reactions I have? I have YA, XA, and XAY and XA equals 2. XA. Sigma X is equal 0. Now, sigma X is equal 0. This is the first equation. Now, XA equal what? Equal 2 kips. Correct or not? sigma y is equal 0, sigma y يبقى YA is equal what? Equal 10, correct or not? صح؟ Agreed or not, guys? Equal 10 pips. Sigma moment بقى. I will take a moment, action moment at section 3.3. What we call it? We call it reaction load. When we design frames for steel structure, especially frames, we will get reaction load وبعدين then we'll design foundation. Okay? طيب. A reaction load coming from where? Coming from an action. I will section 3.3. Section 3.3 is what? Consider that concrete. Section now? Okay, very good. Your own eyes where? I have my own eyes now here. I am looking now from the section from this side. Now I have 10 kips. 10 kips multiply 10. This side 10 multiply 10 multiply 10. 10 multiply 5. 10 multiply 5, correct or not?
What are you saying?
My own eyes were inside the frame. Are this positive moment or a negative moment? Where is the tension part? Up, negative, minus. Right, it 2 kips. 2 kips. Correct or not? 2 multiply what? 2 multiply 10. Tension where? In lower part. يبقى positive ولا لا? Positive. The resultant equal what? Minus 50 plus 20 equal minus 30. Your reaction moment is equal what here? Minus 30 kips food. Correct or not? Wow. Tension where? Tension in the upper part. صح ولا لا؟ ما هو. But attention, I am talking about section 3.3 now. I am not talking about, I am talking about section 3.3. A resultant equal what? مش ده الريفرس، مش احنا عندنا reaction equal the same magnitude reverse to the refer to direction, reverse. If you have y and x in this direction, y, and x in this direction, y, to make 0. And moment here resultant moment here, reverse it. We need moment to resist. صح ولا لا؟ correct? Why you are confused now? Action moment where? Minus 30, صح؟ يبقى reaction is equal what? Reverse of x, صح؟ ما هو برضه minus. ما برضه minus. Minus. Now I will show it to you now. I will show it to you minus how it's minus. Okay? Let us go now. Let us go for this segment now. Segment CB. Segment CB is under equilibrium, correct? Right. I have what? I have 2 and I have 10. Now, okay. Right. يبقى now here is okay. 10 ولا لا? Should be 10 ولا لا? We should be what? 2 or not? To make balance, صح ولا لا? At this section now, section 1.1, there is moment or not? Yes, coming from where? Coming from 10 multiply what? Multiply 5. A moment in this direction, صح ولا لا? مش صح. Correct or not? A moment here, I am cutting here, because this is the reverse to resist. Minus ولا not minus ولا negative plus ولا plus ولا minus plus minus minus what? Negative. Correct or not?
Yes.
Now let us go for this part. It 10 keeps or not? Reverse
Yes.
to make it 0. Put them together, 0. With 2 keeps. صح ولا لا؟ ولسه المومنت اهو
أيوة.
minus برضه 50. Correct or not? Both of them now, put the two sections, put the two parts now together, all the internal force disappear. Equal 0, صح ولا لا؟ Put them together, all of them equal 0. 2 مع 2 0 وال10 مع 10 0 والminus 50 minus 50 both of them together reverse 0. طيب here I have what? I have reaction 10 مع 10 و 10 equilibrium correct or not? طيب I have what? I have 2 or not? 2 keeps or not? My 2 keeps are reverse equilibrium. I have minus 30. Yes. Coming y minus 30 minus 50 minus 50, but there is 2. 2 give you another moment. If you go down, the positive moment increase until we reach what? 20. We still minus 50, but now he's minus 30. Yes. If you draw a moment diagram, it will look like that. 0. صح ولا لا؟ 0 or not? 0. وبعدين here is what? Minus 50 صح؟ وبعدين here is what? Minus 50. وهير minus 30. Correct? يبقى now here is minus moment. Minus moment. That's why we have, if you have steel structure, canopy, bus, canopy, train, whatever, your fund is what? Correct or not? صح? Why we are the section increased here? Small here and increase here. Why? Because there is moment. Yes. There is moment. As much as you go from free end, there is moment. Moment. Okay? And we have this way. Before in concrete bus stop Japan, 40 years ago, the concrete bus stop it was like that. Frame. And you are waiting here. Correct or not? Yeah. You remember when we have steel and even the main steel here. This is the main steel. Why? Because the moment. But we forgot. That's why. But if you come back again to study, you remember. And this is fact. Because we are designed like that. Right. Let us draw shear force diagram. Shear force diagram. We have shear force diagram here or not? We have shear force diagram in this part BC or not? Yes. Left hand side there is what? 10 up. صح ولا لا؟ وبعدين straight وبعدين 10 down. يبقى now there is shear force positive or not? Equal what? Equal 10. Any section now here, any section now, have shear force or not? Yes. Have shear force. Now let us go for this part. This part اللي هو BA. We have shear force, yes. These two keeps down. minus. With these two caps, I need to cut the section now. يبقى this shear force. يبقى now this is shear force diagram. What about the moment diagram? This is moment diagram. What about the normal force diagram? The normal force diagram. Let us see normal force. These two caps. Is normal force to section from this part or not part? Is perpendicular to the section now?
Yes.
يبقى now I have normal. Negative or not negative? Because compression minus 2. Minus. Right. This part have normal shear, have normal force ولا have is equal to 10 minus 10. This 10 perpendicular to any section or not? Yes, take section here. Your section here now. Like this 10 is perpendicular or not? Compression. صح ولا لا? Any section now here have two caps compression force? Yes. صح? طب let's go for 19.1. 19.1. What are the internal forces in section 1.1? What are 19.1? 19.1. What are the internal forces in section 1.1? Section 1.1 have what? Section 1.1 is we have train overhead frame. We call it overhead or a gantt crane or gantt crane. We have this type of cranes, double floor, double head. Yes, we have section 1.1. The section 1.1 is far away from free end is equal what? 2 meters. Correct or not? Where section 1.1 up? We have vertical force only. We don't have what? We don't have horizontal force. صح كده؟ طيب, okay. What are the internal forces in section 1.1? Axial force first. يعني normal force. Axial what? Perpendicular to the section. We call it axial. Axial force is shear force or moment. يبقى now I will take in this order. Normal force, shear force, moment. طيب. This section 1.1, any horizontal force? No. يبقى normal force is equal what? 0. صح ولا لا? Section 1.1, any section now 1.1 is equal what? No normal force. Why? Because there is no normal force. But there is shear force? Yes. A shear force equal 10. Why 10? Because
That point would not be actual force.
wait for axial force mean normal force.
No.
Normal for axial يعني ايه؟ This axial force. We call it normal force, axial. Okay? In axial force here 0 type. 0 or not 0. Any horizontal force? Type. Let me draw. We have frame. This is the frame now. Ten. But then here we have 4 meters. 4 meters. But then we have here 4 meters. My section now where? This my section now I'm talking about. Okay. Any horizontal force now here? Your section now here. Any horizontal force? No. يبقى axial force equal what? 0. You have two options 0 0 و 2 option 10 10. You are sure 100%. A will be is wrong answer. يا اما السي يا اما الدي. صح ولا لا؟ طيب. There is shear force, yes. Why? Why is there shear force? I will tell you. Take this segment now. Forget about the reaction. Take this segment now. My segment now. A, B, C, D, and E. D, E. I have force here is what? 10 ton. We have reaction. We have internal force here when we cut. Why? Because when we design here. Forget about this section now. We design here. We design here. We design here. Connection. We design here as well. وبعدين reaction load. But section 1 in the middle. I'm not caring. Where is the section now? In this case, I have 10 ton with 10 ton. Are this shear force or not? Yes. Any section now here have what? Have 10 ton. Correct or not? يبقى now should be 0, 10. The moment equal what? 20. Why 20?
10.
Because 10 multiply 2. Easy, very easy. صح؟ طيب number 19.2. 19.2 the same. Same. 19.2 the same.
0, 10, 20, B.
We have, I want the same. We have 0, 0, لا إما A لا إما B. Because the C with D is wrong.
No,
صح كده؟
10 B.
Agreed or not?
Yes.
Number 19.2. يبقى now the answer should be B. 10, 0, 0, 10, 20. Correct or not?
As it is.
Copy paste section 1. 19.2. Oh, where is 2? Here 2. Same. Take the other part. Let's CB. Add CB. Have 10. Correct or not? Any section here is equal what? 0. Why 0? There is no any horizontal force. يبقى 0, 10, 20. طيب, let us go for this part. This part. Lower A, D, B. D and B. A 10 converted here to be 10 or not? صح ولا لا? To make it equivalent, I will make what? 10. صح ولا لا? And this 10, it will go for BA, right? BA or BA, correct? Is this 10 or not? صح? To make equilibrium, we have what? Again 10. Correct or not? Type. We have another 10 from here. Because this 10 coming from this 10. 10. وبعدين 10. Add 10. Coming from here. Correct or not? يبقى here 20 or not? Another 10. Correct or not? The reaction equal 20. Why 20? Sigma y is equal 0. Sigma y is equal 0. يبقى 10 و 10 equal 20. يبقى reaction here is what? 20. 20. Agreed? Type. Here. Section now here. I have normal force or not?
Just have
Equal what?
equal.
Equal 10. A normal force we have here or not? Is this parenthesis? 10. With shear force equal 0. يبقى 10, 0. The moment equal what? Equal 40. Coming from where? 10 multiply minus 40 minus 40. يبقى minus 40 until here minus 40. وبعدين minus 40 from here. Minus 40 from here. Minus 40 minus 80 here. See? Very nice. Okay, يبقى now let us go for 19.3. 19.3 should be the answer what? should be 10, 0, 40.
A.
A. طب 19.4. 19.4. We have 20. Why 20? 10 or 10, 20. يبقى 20, 0, 80. Agreed? And 19.4. Remain. ذاته. 19.4. 19.4 equal 20. لا. Equal 20. Yes, accept 20. Yes, 20. وبعدين 0 وبعدين 80. Why? Because there is no shear force. The moment diagram, I can look like that. A moment diagram. See the moment diagram. To look like that. 0 minus 40. 0 minus 40. وبعدين 40 until here. وبعدين 8 until here. Minus 80. Minus 40. وA minus 40. Minus 40. This is a moment diagram. يبقى now your section here is what? The moment equal 20. The moment here is what? 40. Equal here what? 20. Here is what? 80. Coming from where? Coming from the see, minus 40, minus 40, بعدين minus 40, بعدين minus 40, minus 40, minus 40, 80. Agreed, guys? طيب 19.5. Exercise. If you solve it at home, every engineer will solve it correct. I will give him 300 Qatar riyal. Okay, guys? Tomorrow, cup of tea, and enjoy. ناس يا معلمين, promise. If anyone solve number 5 correct with number, with everything, I will give him 300.
That means load.
By number, by everything, give me a solution. Give me a proper solution. Okay, guys? Yes, is the homework. I will solve it when? I will solve it in the last part in the structure. Okay, fine. Let us go for number 22. Right.
And that's 19.5, 20, and 21. That one homework.
19.5.
This one 19.5.
19.5 is the same. What is the maximum design wind load which keeps the structure still? Yes. Calculate. Give me the maximum design wind load. I don't know. I don't know why. I told you 300 guys. يعني starting tomorrow كده it works. Then it's 300. Cup of tea بقى وcup of coffee وبعدين ووتر ميلون وفيش وإيد ورايس وسلطة وكل all the fruit in with you. Everything with you. Okay, guys? خلاص? Let us go for number what? 22. 22 is coming and we using a lot of engineers. Right. Number 22 is what? See, a frame. We have frame, but this frame is very nice frame. Why? Very nice frame because this frame have very nice action. Very nice action. This frame have what? Have two support, correct or not? Support at A and support at D and D, and we have uniform load at this part. And we have uniform load in this part as well. And concentrated load. This concentrated load equal 24 kips. and 34 kids. Six foot. 12. And we have 10 foot and 15.
Yeah, equal
Hmm?
by two. From D to.
Oh, here is 5 foot. Telling you what, in the frame shown in the figure, what is the moment at, لا, the frame shown in the figure, have a rigid support at A. What the meaning rigid support at A? At A means there's 3 reactions. Rigid يعني 3 reactions. Rigid connection, when you cut in the connection, you have 3 internal forces. Rigid support at A and the hinged support at D. What's the meaning hinged support at D? يعني I have Y, D and XD. Correct or not? يبقى now how many unknowns now? How many unknowns? 5. وبعدين tell you what? There is hinge here and hinge here. يبقى now 3 equation of equilibrium 3 plus 2 hinge 2 يبقى 5 يبقى this frame is what? Statically what? Statically determinate. I can what? I can get it easily. I can solve it easily. The questions here is what? Which reaction I want you to determine? I have two reaction at D. الYD ولا الXD? Tell you what, find the frame shown in the figure, have a rigid support at A and the hinged support at D. What is the most near reaction at support D? Watch. الدي ولا الاكس ولا الواي ولا الاكس الفيرتيكال رياكشن ولا الهوريزونتال رياكشن؟ vertical. Why vertical? Why not LA? Why not horizontal? Or you could have both of them resultant. You could have an XA وبعدين an A and YA وبعدين get a resultant. Agreed? You are creating a new standard by your own. You are developing a standard no one in the world created. Why? Because always we said hinged support have what? 2. You are make it 1. Why? How can you make it 1? 2. In this case, I will make it in an easy way. I will take it in a simple way. The simple way is what? I will take this part out. Oh. Are you happy now or not? This part under equilibrium or not? Yes, should be.
How about the rules transferable from above?
When I tell you now, the moment the is what C. The moment at C is equal 0 or not? Hello. Let me consider this part as a part. I will take it, segregate it. I will take it from where? From the system. يبقى D with C. The equivalent load is equal what? Equal 10. 4 multiply what? 10. يبقى 40. Correct or not? Yes. In this direction or not? Right. I have what? Y, D. As I said, X, reverse. In force here, sigma moment at C is equal to 0. Sigma moment at C is equal to 0. يبقى now XD multiply 10 equal 40 multiply 5. يبقى XD equal 200 divided 10 equal 20. Yes, thank you very much. Your answer is good. Best. Where is the answer now? 20 tips. Best. خلاص. Best finish. That's it. Yeah. I told you guys why you are one equation. A lot of engineers. Let me take a YD. Why? You already get it 20. A YD it will never equal 32. No way is equal 40. No way equal 66. Take a moment at where after you calculate the XD equal 20. Take a moment here. خلاص بقى. You already have an XD already. Get a YD, and the moment it's equal 0 at all, you'll find it in YD equals 31.5. In this case, I will choose 20. Because yes, the most nearly 20 ولا 32 لا 20. لا easy. Don't confuse yourself, guys. The same what I told you. When you have it كده in your exam,
28.
what is a 20?
The Uber injection.
بعد ما shoot my hand is too much. Every class okay, guys, easy. Let us go for what? Let us go for number 23. Let us go for number 23. Number 23 is the last part in frame, and we'll go for. It seems like we'll finish 23, and we'll go home. And we will start construction management next class Sunday. We'll keep trusses and slope and deflection to another class. Okay, let us go for number 23. 23 we have frame. This frame have roller support here. By this way, this frame is not stable. But anyway, it's coming to our end. This frame not stable at all. Why? I will tell you. We have what uniform load here. This uniform load is, we have 20 kilonewton, 20 kilonewton over meter, and we have here 4 meters, 2 meter, 2 meter, and your section here, C, in the middle. We have concentrated load here is what? 20 kilonewton. Anyway, when I told you now, why this frame is not stable? Why? Telling you what, in the frame shown in the figure, what is the moment at C? Moment at C, what I will do now, I will take this part out, this part out. We agreed this distance is what? 2 meters. And here what? 20 kilonewton meter. When I tell you now, when I tell you now, what the reaction direction for this support?
Only this direction.
Only this direction. خلاص, only this direction. I will take it to put it here. Correct or not? صح كده؟ equivalent load is what? 20 multiplied 2
Two
Kilometer.
or four, 2 or 4. That one, 2 to 4.
But here distance is 2 meter. 2 meter. صح ولا لا؟ correct؟ صح؟ طيب. Now equivalent equal what? 40. Section here. And moment here. 40 multiply what? Multiply 1. يبقى minus 40 كيلو نيوتن. Why minus? Because it was section here اهو. المومنت اهو. Tension up يبقى minus 40 كيلو نيوتن متر. بس.
That's equal.
That's it. Yes.
But that's unsafe.
Unsafe. Why unsafe? Because this support it will fall down here. Use this load, equivalent load. This hinge it will go down here. Why? Because this roller support it will move. It will move. But if hinge support and this is roller support, reverse it back. Now the state. But maybe he wants you to check you how you are going to deal with this support by giving what? Giving the reaction here means there is no moment coming from the reaction. So you will never even get the reaction. I will get this part alone. I will put reaction perpendicular to the movement plan. Then I will take the equivalent, multiply this. That's. You agree? Minus 40 اللي هي B. We'll stop here. Finish frame. Still we have what? Next the class. Hard to copy now. I will share it now. Sunday, please guys. Sunday it will be 3 hours, 3 hours. Today is 2 hours and a half. Yani, because tomorrow is weekend. All of you tired and I'm tired. And cup of tea. Don't forget. I will share with you all of you now. Hard to copy guys next class. Check your WhatsApp. Hard to copy, please. Yes, hard to copy. Please. I already shared now. See you Sunday. Please, guys, try to study tomorrow the level of what we have. Don't go beyond the limit. Just sit down, study, solve some features and problems we have. And don't forget that to live a structure, eat structure, to dream structure, sleep structure, to work structure, to do everything structure. Why? Because we are civil engineers. See you on Sunday. Good night, guys, online. I wish all of you to come to the classroom again. And see you guys.